Russ. You just haven't been up to the bell chamber. Yeah, it looks out over the roof. All right, honey.
That's the roof.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and you can climb out over there, and you see that little door over there under that little fan?
Yeah.
It's a tiny little square, and if you want to get into the ceiling of the cathedral,
Yeah.
which we have to do when we want to change the lights,
Yeah.
you go and you climb into that little hole, and you slide through it like a snake, and then you come out a hole on the other side into the attic.
Cool.
Wow.
And it's kind of spooky.
Can I go last?
No, let's have you between us adults.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is pretty scary.
You good? Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Whoa, look at those bells.
Wow. Okay, just focus right on the head of you. Go behind Paul.
Yep, focus right here. I got you.
You sure?
Yep. All right.
Nice.
Whoa.
All right, now why don't you come step right up here.
Wow, this is awesome, huh?
Turn on this. Don't climb it, but you can get up on it.
Is this thing this is gonna...
Yeah. Here, why don't you come right up here onto this so that you can look through here.
Look at the size of those bells, Russ.
So you can see they work a little bit. They work two different ways, Rusty. So see these ones in the corner.
have you gone up here when they rain? This is gonna be loud.
Oh, it'll be loud. We won't want to be up here when it goes. Well, actually, it's not awful because there are smaller bells like mine that do it.
Oh, sure.
So check this out. See these chains? See how the four bottom bells have chains on them?
Wow, 98.
Those chains actually make the bells swing,
Yep.
right? So the four bells on the bottom are the only ones that swing, right? Like you would typically think a bell swings. Only these ones do it, and they.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24 bells. 24 bells.
Is it a full 24?
Yeah.
I always get confused.